My name is Serena Williams. I'm a proud Ngunnawal Wiradjuri woman. I'm currently the Program Manager at the Women's Legal Centre in the ACT and region. I think what the justice system needs to understand is that there's law and law, L-O-R-E, and then there's law, L-A-W. There are two systems that an Aboriginal woman has to work in. For example, you have your Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander community norms with hierarchies and systems. We have elders in place. We have men's business, we have women's business, we have youth, we have family and community business. I would love the justice system to understand our world, to understand the complex issues, to understand to the reasons why some women don't access the justice system. So here in our beautiful country, we have 200 and something countries. Within those countries, we speak over 500 dialects. The interpreter plays a very vital role. The most appropriate interpreter is someone who's accepted within the community and has good relationships and understands the diversity of the community. I see a lot of women confused when you say, okay, you got an AVO, it's an interim order. Well, what does that mean? And I think it needs to be unpacked so there is a good understanding of what the judges are putting out. The barriers that Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women face going to court, it's just the simple things. It could just be, I've got no way of getting there. I've got 3 kids that are still on my hip. How am I going to get the bus there? There's, simple things like that. I believe that Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women, in my experience, never feel safe going to court. I see some women walk into a courtroom. They actually have to walk past a main area, and the perpetrator will have their family. There'll be intimidation happening. There'll be lateral violence happening. The woman is feeling unsafe. She's going to walk out of that courtroom. There's nothing set up properly to ensure that the woman is protected and their family. We have resolution systems that include our elders, traditional custodians, and yarning circles with a community deciding on what should happen and how it should happen. But the court system actually makes the decisions for you. Most Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women don't understand. What are these decisions being made? How does this protect me? Also, with sometimes the perpetrators not understanding what that is. But that's my wife, that's my family, my children. I'm not going to keep 100 metres away. They don't understand it. It's a different language. I think there really needs to be some empathy and some understanding, so it's not just at a level of a judge understanding the complex issues that Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women face accessing justice. It's also the whole court system that needs to understand that. I would love to see more Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander people sit on juries. I am so tired of walking in and seeing a white privileged jury who will never understand what an Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander person faces, let alone a woman, and her obligations and role as the woman of the family. If you want Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women to feel safe and understand you in a court, for them to understand the process and how they can be safe under your system, under the law, LAW, you need to understand and respect our LORE. If we could combine those two to live in this world, to live on this country, it could be a safer place with real outcomes for Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander women and their children and our families. I think it's a great step forward to attend events, to go to forums, to be a part and understand what the community is, because you can read all the material in the world, but you'll never understand it or get it until you're around Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander people.